Well, we were fortunate enough to be hosting, the city of Stockholm were fortunate enough to be the place for the wedding for the Crown Princess of Sweden with Mr. Daniel Westling, which is of course a very romantic event, a very fantastic event that will involve billions of TV viewers around the world. But we hope a couple of million visitors to the city. Of course, a big party for the Stockholmers. So we decided to start on June 6th, which is the National Day, the Swedish National Day, which is quite a royal event, and to end with the royal wedding. So it will be a party on the theme of love for 2 weeks.
Here we are doing the Love 2010 project. And this is yet another big challenge. Datacom will make sure to provide 3,000 journalists in the media center, where we are at now, with a high and reliable access to the network.
For such an event like this, it's an enormously important event that goes without saying almost, but then we need to rely on good partnership, and that means the three of us. I mean, we know that we work in harmony and that we can work together, both as a team and on the technical side. So everything is important, and Datacom and Clavister have been proven performers when it comes to teamwork and to excellent relations, both on the personal side and on the technical side.
We decided we need to do something more to give service to our media and to also show what great country this is and what great city with all of these ICT companies that we can work with. So we decided to build a media center. So right in the middle of the city we have this media center that we're sitting in now, with workplaces for some 200 journalists, but room for at least 1,000 journalists.
We have a relation with the city of Stockholm from the Volvo Ocean Race stop in Stockholm last year, and we did a good job together with Meru Networks and Clavister. So we have exactly the same setup here during this event.
We are very fortunate and honored to be selected for this event in Stockholm, Love 2010 Stockholm, where a lot of users are obviously coming in the media center to access and report on this important event in Sweden.
We get 20,000 to 40,000 people coming in to the event during these 2 weeks, and it's really vital that they do feel secure when they're going out on the internet through the hotspots.
You cannot do it in an event like this without all this IT technology which people are used to. So everything from Wi-Fi spots to the big screen solutions to TV4 and all the camera systems, everything's connected. From my perspective, I don't want to know anything about the technical stuff. I just want it to work, and it does.
Meru came up with the 4th generation technology, where we have provided what is called switched wireless, where we are able to give dedicated connections to each client device, which allows much more predictable access to the network and much more reliable access to the network.
It's a very natural choice for us. Working in wireless solutions, we work with Meru Networks.
Datacom, Meru, and all the partners in Clavister, they've done everything. During our first meetings, we just had some drawings that, okay, these spots in the city, this is what we need, and the guys just took it home and just provided us with everything. It's been fantastic.
It has proven itself many times. We have used it for several occasions like this. And it works, it simply works, and it's easy to manage it, easy to change configuration on the fly if anything gets in and creates some kind of disturbance of the network. And it's also extremely reliable and redundant. So there is no other, from my point of view, there is no other network, wireless network that can do that.